Hope you guys doing well, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your absolute and relative paths in your HTML documents. Like I'm using absolute path in my HTML document, so I'm gonna refresh it and it will automatically display the absolute path. The HTML file path. A file path describes the location of a file in a website folder structure. So, paths are used when linking the external files like web pages, images, style sheets, JavaScripts. So, you can use absolute path and relative path both for each web pages, images, style sheets, JavaScript files, jQuery, or if you want to embed the CDN, you can also use the absolute path. Once you use the absolute path, it will depend on another site to maintain your images or files and folder structure. So um, you can use the relative paths also. It will not depend your website to any other website URL. So I'm gonna use here the relative path. I'm gonna images, and I have the playground image in my directory structure, so you can also add your own directory structure, and the images should be fine if you are using relative paths. So you can also use the slash to access the folder. It will redirect to your images, and then here the file name. I'm gonna see the results. Yeah, this is our image that we are using in our HTML document. I'm gonna add some height, 50, and width 50. So here is our image. So these are the paths that you can use. You can also use the style link, the style sheet, using your relative path. You can also add the CDN like um, bootstrap you given, or jQuery or JavaScript library given also. So it's best practice to download the file that you are embedding in your website, and then like style.css. I have this one here. So this is the relative path, and um, I'm gonna add more image and add absolute path here. So here we get these two images with the. So it is easy to manage absolute path, but the best practice to avoid the dependencies of your website is you need to use the this one, relative path. You can also add the directory structure whatever you like. So I'm gonna add a JS folder here, and come here and then create a new file with the name of main.js and include here with the script tag and then js and then main.js. So here you can write a code like document dot get element by id, just I'm gonna name it demo, and then inner HTML right is equal to our JavaScript, and then I'm gonna refresh my browser and I'm gonna add a ID here. Once I click here, it will display me the results of HTML document. I'm gonna add this ID in the paragraph tag. So this is paragraph and then ID should be, yeah, that's how JavaScript works. So hope you guys enjoy my tutorial, and see you guys in my next video.